Everyone, and today I'll show you how to make this Origami Nun. The design is by Kunihiko Kasahara. So we start with a square sheet of paper. You're gonna fold it diagonally like that. Now you're gonna unfold. Take the bottom corner and bring it towards the top, but leave a little space here. So you're gonna align it with the center line, leave some space, and then make a fold like that. So you should have something like that. And now you're gonna make 2 additional folds following the edges of that upper layer. As you can see here, we just follow the edge and make a fold along it. And do the same on the other side. So now it should look something like that. So now what you're gonna do is slightly lift the edges of the paper and grab that corner and lift it upwards like that. After that you should hold it and then bring the paper back and fold it to the left. And afterwards it should look like that. So again, what we just did, we lift the paper a little bit, grab the corner, hold the corner, put the edges back and fold it to the left. And now you're gonna fold the corners here on both sides. Fold them like that. And do the same on the other side. Okay. And now you should fold your model in half, like that. So now you're gonna form the hands of the nun by folding the corners towards the front like that. But only fold one layer at a time. So, just the top layer. Now you're gonna flip over and do the same thing. And make sure that the hands are symmetrical. Okay, so we're almost done here. Now all you do is make 2 additional folds here, like that, and the same on the other side. Now you're gonna open the model slightly. And you can shape the head by opening the paper here and pushing that point. And you can bend the paper here like that a little bit. So now this is your Origami Nun complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and see you guys next time.